Welcome to Live Good. Yan, si Live Good officially launched globally on December 13, 2022. So, kaka 1 year niya lang po noong nakaraang buwan. Right? And Live Good is a US-based direct sales company focused in these two things, the wellness and digital service industry. So, alam naman natin na malaking industry to. And of course, health is wealth and lahat ng ginagawa natin ngayon no is halos online na, right? So, di natin maiwasan talaga yung paglago, right? Pag-improve ng digitalization, right? So, ating fulfillment center po ay nasa Jupiter Park, Florida. Yan. So, si Live Good po is a club membership that pays. Yan. So, bakit? Yan. So, of course, explain natin yan ngayon din. So, unlike most home business opportunities, Live Good is not about overpriced products. While maraming mga companies out there, nagtataasan na po yung presyo ng kanilang mga products. So, dito, we are about saving people money on health products. Yes, literally. Okay, so ngayon, if you have a passion for health and wellness, then this is for you. If you have a passion for helping people, then this is also for you. And if you're not looking for get rich quick scheme, then definitely this is for you. Kaya tune in ka lang, don't tune out. Alright, so Live Good is not like any other mga traditional or mga Jurassic, gigantic na mga direct selling or MLM companies. So, ano bang meron dyan? So, number one, may product package, right? Kumbaga, pasimula po pa lang, nabentahan ka na. Ayan. Okay? So, yan pag traditional. And mostly sa mga package na yan ay overpriced. Aminin man natin sa hindi, overpriced yung products. And number three, left and right pairing system. So, mostly, lalo na sa atin, mga local companies, so hindi naman tayo against or sinisiraan. Though marami din naman kumita, pero ang downside kasi niyan pagka isa lang yung leg na gumagalaw diyan is that hindi ka kikita, right? So kailangan mo talaga ng dalawa, okay? And number 4, monthly maintenance on Unilevel. So kailangan mong bumili ng products every single month. Meron iba 500, 2, 5, 3, 6,000, 9,000 worth of products every month para ma-qualify sa position and makuha mo yung komisyon. Gano'n po siya. Number 5, fifth pair incentive. Kung makakita mo na, ginawa pang puntos. Ayan. Okay. And number 6, limit of encoding. Yan. So, limitado. Kumbaga yung paglipad, paglago ng tao, ng leaders, yan. So, malilimitahan din kasi limitado eh. Pati yung kita, right? Lalo na sa mga sa binary, no? So, ganun kasi may tinatawag na safety net. And isang reason din na yan, number 7 is may flash out. Alright? Kumbaga, kung may mga waiting to be paired ka, nasa kabilang side mo, whether it be 10, 20, 30, 50, 6 figures, or even 7 figures na waiting to be paired, pag sumobra sa kabila ng encode, sabihin natin maximum 5, naging 6 yung encode, bang, back to 0 yan lahat. Okay? So, na-experience namin yan, no? Na previous company talagang, kumbaga, patibayan na lang 'no, mo-motivate na lang, ayan, na okey lang 'yan, 'di ba, malakas ka. Pero deep inside siyempre low moral din kasi ilang ilang months din na binild 'yan tapos magsi-zero lang 'no, so ganyan. And number 8, unexplained deductions, we don't know kung talagang totoo ba talaga 'yan, miscellaneous fees, ayan, or kung ano-ano mang mga fees 'no. And number 9, may high attrition, 'yan. Kasi dahil sa mga reasons na 'yan, ang mga tao marami ang mga maraming mga nagki-quit kaysa na sa nag-stay. Yung mga stay, yung mga kumikita, pero yung mga nagki-quit, yun talaga ang dahil sa mga reasons din na yan. Alright? But here's the good news. Here in Live Good, wala na po yan. Alright? Kasi obsolete na yan eh. Okay? Kumbaga sa technology pa, keypad yung mga ganyang mga mga yung technology. So andito na po yung bago ngayon. Alright? Ayan, the iPhone. Ayan, the iPhone, the new technology, no? Alright? So andito na si Live Good, we're in, wala tayong product package. Alright, di ka dito pagbebentahan, hindi na rin overpriced yung products. Yan, and of course, wala na tayong pairing system. Ayan, kahit isang leg lang, ayan, kahit ano nga kahit wala pang refer, may chance pa rin na kumita. Yan, kung paano later explain natin. Alright, so wala na tayong ganyan, pairing system, monthly maintenance sa level. So pagkalaki every month, nire-require ka na bumili ng products. Yan, para ma-qualify sa rank and income, wala na tayo niyan, ha? Alright, fifth pair incentive, wala na rin. Dito unlimited yung encoding, wala ng flash out, of course wala ng unexplained deductions and kabaliktaran ng kanina. Dito merong high stickability. Yan, wala na tayong of course hindi na natin maiwasan yan. Ngayong mga tao talagang hindi pa maintindihan yung negosyo, pero mas maraming nag-i-stay. Ayan, alright. So, ayan po 'no. So, yun yung best part and of course, here are the some of the reasons why, Live Good. So, amazing yung products. So, 'pag US company, so no questions asked na yan. So, amazing yung products talaga and of course, incredible yung prices. So, ito yung pinagkaiba natin sa iba kahit US-based company tayo. Okay, literally talaga meron tayong comparison later. So, share ko rin sa inyo. 3 and number 4, no auto shipping and monthly products to buy, right? So, di ka na dito pipilitin na bumili ng products every month para ano, ma-qualify sa commission, ma-qualify sa rank mo. So, wala na 'yan. Alright? So, di ka na pipilitin, talagang complete freedom. And number 5, 90 days empty bottle money back guarantee. Then within 90 days, 'pag di mo nagustuhan yung products or nagkaroon ka ng adverse effects sa health mo, right? So, pwede mo isauli yung laman ng products, no questions asked, ibabalik sa'yo yung pera mo. Right? So, ganun tayo ka-confident with our products na, of course, quality. Kasi kung hindi tayo confident, baka masauli lang lahat ng products. Di po ba? Yan. And number 6, number 1, business to join. Ayan. Alright. So, kung bakit, number 1, so meron akong i-share sa inyo. Ayan. So, if you know business for home, so para po yung Forbes magazine of direct selling. So, nagkaroon po ng voting and tao po yung nagboto nito ha. Ayan, pwede niyong i-research yan, no? Ayan, kasi alam ko, siyempre, gusto niyong makasigurado kung okay ba yung company. So, ito po, no? Yan, to give you a idea. Yan. So, nagkaroon po ng voting po the top direct selling comp plan last year. Yan. So, bago lang ito si Livegood. I think mga 4 months pa lang, pero matindi. Bakit? Nag-top 5 po si Livegood. Yung iba 10, 20, 30, even 50 years na po sa industry. Pero si Livegood kabago-bago lang pero top 5, 'di ba? So may kakaiba sa Complan. Okay, and ito naman most trusted direct selling company of last year din. Mga yung top 5 ngayon, top 2 naman. O sabi pa nga, no need to believe what I say. Let's see what the people say. Live Good is the or one of the most trusted company of 2023. Right? So, pinagkatiwalaan talaga siya kasi nga may kakaiba dito. Okay? Sabihin ko na sa inyo, Live Good offers affordability and value. Yes, yan po kung bakit maraming nagtitiwala. Alright? And, ano pa? Yan, kung ngayon top 2, okay, ayan. Yan, so recently lang, ayan, nag-top 1 na po si Live Good. Alright? Yan, top 1 na top direct selling company of this year, 2024. Okay, so may kakaiba po talaga sa company ito. Alright, so para mas maintindihan mo, okay, i-explain din natin ngayon. Alright, ano ba yung mission ni Live Good? Simple lang, to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Ganun ka-simple, but yet powerful. So meet our Live Good corporate team. Yan, ating CEO na may 20 years plus na of experience owning and running some of the most successful companies. Yan, so sila po itong ni Sinoder, Director of Network Marketing. So sila po ay nasa business side po. And combined, they have over 50 plus years of experience. Alright? And very hands-on po yan sila. Nagpapakita sa ating Zoom, nagbibigay ng updates. And of course, sa mga walang idea, Ben is an IT guy. So hindi po masasabotahe yung sistema natin. Okay, unlike sa na-experience din namin dati, no? So, grabe talaga. Okay, hindi madali pagka, pinagkatiwala mo lang, sa ibang tao, di mo pa kilala. Pero ito guys, we are confident na, of course, pang long term kasi yung system natin, we're confident kasi IT guy po yung ating CEO. Alright? And in his previous companies, sabi pa nga sa video, no, na close to $1 billion na po ang na-payout niyang komisyon. So, sobrang dami niya ng tulungan. And right now, ginawa tong si Livegood para mas marami pang matulungang kumita. Ayan. And not just kumita, of course, matulungan sa kanilang health kasi andito yung ating mga product formulators. Ayan ang mag-partner. Ayan ang couple na Ryan and Lisa Goodkin. Ayan, they are the product of education, Director of Product Education and Director of Product Development. Ayan, so sila po nagpo-formulate. Ayan, and they make sure na of quality and purest, natural and sa pristine locations, no? Nakukuha yung mga ingredients natin. And of course, may mga testing din. na later ise-share ko din sa inyo. Yan. So, kung bakit gano'n na lang yung record ng company in just, to give you an idea ha, in just, less than, 13 months 'no, in 13 months time, na-hit po natin ang 1,000,000 affiliate members. Yan. So, sabi pa nga, true leadership creates true success. Alright, so yan, to give you an idea 'no, ano ba yung future, ano ba yung naghihintay sa atin dito sa Live Good, why you should, do this, alright? You should take a look at what we have here in this company. So, alam niyo ba si Amazon nag-start siya ng pagbebenta ng libro ng 1995. Alright, and kumuha siya, isang kaibigan niya, so pina-online niya po kasi si online mas malaki yung ano reach, eh, okey? Ayan, so kumbaga wide range yung puwede mong, ma-market, alright? So lumago ng lumago po, alright? Ayan yung Amazon, okey? 'Yan, and right now Amazon sells almost anything under the sun. Okay, so halos lahat ng po nandun na sa Amazon, right? Nagsimula lang sa libro pero right now they almost have everything. So, si Live Good, nag-launch po tayo membership club with the best physician grade nutritional products wherein kailangan natin sa health natin matulungan tayo yan sa pagiging healthy. And to give you idea, Live Good will add products and services from other industries as well, like cleaning products, skincare, yan yung mga solar panels, yan mga digital products and many more, no? Apparel, ayan, mga appliances, right? Oh, so yun po yung ating future. Will be the Amazon of network marketing. All right? So, yan, members save big with our membership model. Ayan. So, to give me idea, no? Yun nga, 1,000,000 plus members na po tayo and still growing, no? Ayan. So, sa iba, yan, like YouTube Pro, Amazon Prime, Netflix, Sam's Club, Costco, and Disney Plus, na ang tao nagbabayad po dyan monthly or yearly and they have millions of members already. And to tell you, wala pong kitaan dyan. Ano pong nakukuha ng mga subscribers dyan or members, should I say? Oh, ano, 'di ba, sa YouTube walang ads, alright? So tuloy-tuloy papanood mo, Amazon Prime mga free shipping, Netflix and Disney Plus, kakapanood ka ng mga movies, Sam's Club and Costco, magkakaroon ka ng, discount sa mga, products na nando'n sa loob ng, warehouse nila, right? So yun po yung na-e-enjoy, kumbaga benefits na ino-offer nila, right? But to tell you, wala pong kitaan diyan, only with Live Good. So kung paano, i-di-discuss din natin 'yan later on. Okay, so 'yun po. Okay, and to tell you, we have over 20 and still counting life-changing products. Highest quality, of course, purest, most natural ingredients from the most pristine locations on the planet and world-class manufacturing facilities. So world-class po talaga. So no question na 'yan kasi of course made in the US, certified by the GMP, Good Manufacturing Practice, USDA. So hindi po tayo drugs, we are licensed under USDA, United States Department of Agriculture. Kasi mga natural products po meron tayo. Okay? Ayan, lab tested. Okay? So i-share ko din sa inyo mamaya kung anong mga test ginawa for purity and potency. And of course, 90 days empty bottle money back guarantee. Right? So ito po yung mga na-launch nung last year, 2023, the CBD pain relief cream, the patches, sleep and energy, collagen, methylene blue, and creatine plus HMB. So hindi pa ako magpa-product demo sa inyo ngayon, pero bibigyan lang po ako ng konting idea sa inyo para at least meron kayong idea kung, para saan ba 'tong mga products natin, okay? Ayan, so ito po essential oils and highest quality products and beatable prices. Actually na-launch na po ito, okay, nung nakaraang mga araw lang. Ayan, so marami pong benefits 'yan 'no for depression, anxiety, para sa sakit ng ulo, ayan, and, puwede ring pang-cleansing and basta marami po, puwede kayong mag-research, alright? And ito vitamins for children, ayan yung mga gummies. 'Yan, hand-selected special ingredients, no artificial colors or other harmful ingredients. So, coming soon na po 'yan. 'Yan, the best po talaga. And to tell you, yung mga products natin, ayan nga po, may certificates of analysis. So, gano'n tayo ka-confident. Okay? So each product of Live Good is tested and approved under a recognized laboratory, Alternative Labs 4740S. Alright, 'di ba? So may mga certifications po. Okay? So if you have kakilala na nasa medical field, so alam po 'yan nila basahin, okay? And to tell you based sa aking research and sa my experience, no, is that ito lang po yung company nagbubukod tanging nagpapakita ng kanilang certificates of analysis. I think meron naman yung iba pero private, pero ito public. So, dapat talaga public po actually kasi ano yan diyan nakikita yung ganda ng products kung okay ba, baka may harmful chemicals diyan or what. Ayan, so gano'n tayo ka-confident. You can access our certificates of analysis on our website www.livegood.com. Okay, nasa pinakababa ayan po, certificates of analysis. Gano'n kalupit, okay? And ayan po 'no, GMP certified tayo, hindi lang po isang area tinitingnan, maraming area po. Okay, so nandiyan location, machinery, processing, sanitary, maintenance personnel, right? And marami din tayong mga certifications like caffeine-free, cruelty-free, gluten-free, soy-free, third-party lab tested, yung kanina yung certificates of analysis, 100% vegan, GMP certified, keto-friendly, non-GMO, nut-free, and of course, USDA organic. Ibig sabihin, wala pong insecticide, pesticide, herbicide, or mga heavy metals like mga mercury, ayan, lead, okay, or kung ano pa man na pwede makasira sa katawan natin. So, organic po lahat ng products natin. Ayos? And we have wellness for all. So, of course, iba-iba naman yung pangangailangan natin. So, yan, lahat po ng kailangan natin, case sa health natin, yan, pwede nating mabili po dito. Yan, so we have men's health, nutrition, women's health, skincare, body cleansing, anti-aging, immunity, weight management, and energy. Alright, so paano mag-order? Dahil nag-order dito, consumer and member. Pag consumer ka, you pay really low prices. And pag nag-member ka, you pay much lower prices. Okay, so ito rin guys, no, yung sobrang na-appreciate ko kasi si Live Good, available po siya in over 200 plus countries. Yes, you heard it right. Okay, literal po talaga hindi lang yung global tayo pero puro mga mostly Pilipino lang din. Hindi po ha. So that means na in 200 plus countries, logistics ready po tayo. Okay, na matatanggap natin yung products, magagawa natin yung negosyo, and at the same time, makukuha natin yung payout natin. Yan, through iPayout or yung global e-wallet. Wow, amazing talaga 'no, kasi I've heard 'no, may sa ibang companies lalo sa atin 'no, sa local, nagshi-ship sila ng products, iba hundreds of thousands, even millions 'no. Hindi natatanggap ng distributor sa certain countries kasi nga kulang sa legalities, okay? Kulang sa legalities, and the best part dito sa Live Good before pa siya i-launch, okay, available na siya in 200 plus countries. Hindi mo na kailangan problemahin yung legalities. Okay? Oh, iba nawawalan sila ng millions 'no, na sales, ayan. Malupit dun kasi hindi daw nababalik yung product sa company or sa nagpadala, 'di ba? So, sana, 'di ba? So, loss 'yun, ang laking loss 'yun ng company 'no. Sa atin, ayan, wala kang poproblemahin. Company na mismo yung magshi-ship, 'yan. That means na drop shipping and e-commerce talaga, e-commerce ready tayo. Okay, made siya for global. Siyempre kung ikaw papapiliin 'no, anong gusto mo, local lang or global? Dun ka na sa global, malaki yung potential, tama? Hmm. Alright, so 'yan po guys 'no, sobrang ganda talaga, okay, kasi nga, as in literally global. Okay, so ngayon, members save up to 75% compared to products in other network marketing companies. Yan, so yan po yung ating natitipid. Yan, hindi savings okay, I mean hindi discount. Yan po yung natitipid natin compared sa products sa ibang companies. Kasi yan, yan to give you an idea 'no, siguro ano naman natin mostly sa atin alam yung story ni David and Goliath. So, para mas maintindihan niyo, 'di ba pinatumba ni David si Goliath with just one stone, 'di ba? So, ngayon itong si Goliath is representing those price gouging MLMs, and tayo po si David, si Livegood. So, ano pa yung price gouging? This is not to badmouth or to bring down other companies or what. So, I'm just here to tell you what the truth is. Okay? Ayan, kasi, actually, yung mga price gouging or yung mga companies na 'yan na nagpapatong ng pagkalaki-laki sa mga products nila, okey, na 'di ba minsan i-hype pa tayo na, "Ay hindi, ano 'to, mahal 'to kasi, high quality." But in reality pala talaga nagiging mahal siya, alright, kasi dun kinukuha yung commission ng mga distributors, top earners, 'yan yung mga, ah, empleyado, diyan kinukuha yung pampasweldo, country manager, of course yung bayad sa artista, mga billboard, mga events, naku kita ng company owner and of course maintenance sa system and many more diyan po kinukuha. Kaya aminin natin sa hindi, mahal po talaga mostly, right? 'Pag nasa ano, MLM. Okay, ayan. Wherein, ang downside po niyan, according sa ating CEO, siyempre siya naman may-ari, alam po niya yung number, 95% 'pag gano'n yung konsepto, konti lang or halos hindi halos, wala talagang kinikita yung mga distributor. Eh, diyan nagsisimula yung pahirap and in 2.8 months or 3 months nagki-quit po yung mga tao kasi pahirap, eh. Yung na-mention ko sa inyo kanina, gano'n po, okey? Ayan, but good news kasi andito na si Live Good and sabi ng ating Director of, Network Marketing, "The days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over." Guys, tapos na po 'yan. Alright, tapos na 'yan, yung mga, price gouging. So, wala tayong magagawa 'pag hindi sila mag-adapt, hindi sila mag-adjust, 'yan kasi yung tao ngayon wais na, eh, 'di ba? Wais na. People now are more looking on affordability and value, 'di ba? So, wala, unti-unti silang hihina or mapapatumba talaga 'pag hindi sila adapt. Alright? So, gaano ba ka-ano, kaganda yung mga ano natin, yung mga products, hindi lang sa quality kundi sa pricing, 'di ba? Oh, so sa ibang company like itong, essential oils natin 'no, ayan makikita niyo diyan, sa ibang company ko nabasahin yung name 'no, 'yan. Binebenta nila yung essential oils, 6 ha, same din na parang, ingredients, alright? And but I believe much higher quality yang sa atin. Kasi iba binebenta nila ng 200 plus or up to 250 plus yung essential oils sila. Sa atin magkano, 49.95. Gano'n, gano'n kalaki yung patong nila and gano'n yung mase-save natin dito. Okey? Kaya pricing pa lang hala tapos na yung boxing talaga, eh. O Super Green sa iba, oh, may pare-parehong ingredients but I believe high quality and mas maganda yung sa'tin kasi of course may testing. Sa iba binebenta $70 to $100. Oh, sa'tin magkano, 1.8, 18 dollars, around 1,000 plus pesos. Grabe nakaka-kanister pa. Oh, yung collagen natin sa iba binebenta $70 to $80, sa'tin magkano, oh, 27.95. Oh, yung creatine natin plus HMB, sa iba binebenta $50 to $65, sa'tin 19.95. Grabe 'no, gano'n kalupit, 'di ba? Kaya no wonder maraming mga 'pag nakita 'to 'no, maraming mga tao talaga, okey, maraming mga, um, nandito na sa, ganitong field 'no, sa ibang bansa and even dito sa Pilipinas na lipat talaga, alright? Lipat talaga dito sa Live Good. Kasi ito pa lang oh, pricing pa lang tapos na yung boxing, 'di ba? Oh, quality na, affordable pa. Oh, gano'n kalupit, okey? Oh, ito naman ating, 'yan ating iba-ibang products natin like International Wellness Pack, ayan retail price 129.95 and 89.95 naman. Around 5,000 plus lang. Grabe 'no, tas free shipping pa. Grabe 'di ba? Lupit, oh. Ano pa, itong ating, organic coffee, naku, ano 'to, mabango. Ayan, mabango kasi na of course na-try na natin 'yan, mabango siya and, kape po talaga siya, kape. Pero the best part kasi hindi hihilab yung tiyan mo. Ayan, sa mga acidic diyan, 'yan goods po 'yun sa inyo, right? Ayan, so, retail price 24.95 and members price naman 7.95. Magnesium, 'pag hirap kang matulog, ayan, and responsible po 'yan over 300 plus chemical reaction sa body natin. So, 'yan needs natin 'yan 'no? And retail price 14.95, members price 8.95, alright? Ayan, so ito naman nating CBD oil, ayan. Okay, so you can ano ha, you can, check our website. So, di ko na me-mention isa-isa lahat Kaya nandun po yan lahat yung ating mga pricing, okay? Ayan, so to tell you, there's an evolution po sa lahat ng negosyo, tama po. Ayan. So, like pag-access natin ng information, dati newspaper, eventually naging radio, TV, mga yung right now, mga gadgets, smartphone, laptop, isang click mo lang Google. Ayan, who is Live Good? Ayan, Live Good. Ayan, diyan na agad, 'di ba? O, pagbili din natin, dati barter, 'di ba? O, eventually naging market, supermarket, and right now, e-commerce na, andiyan yung Amazon, eBay, Alibaba, Shopee, Lazada, TikTok Shop, and many more, 'di ba? Oh, nakikita niyo po ba? And same din sa ano, sa, type of business natin. Dati old multi-level system, naging binary at multiple heads, hybrid binary with multi-level system. So kumbaga, marami nang ano, hinalo, 'no? May one account, may multiple accounts, may unilevel, stair-step, and many more. Pero same story pa rin, price gouging. Wherein dun nagsisimula yung pahirap. And right now, nandito na po si Live Good. Affiliate marketing with subscription that pace. Yan, ito po talaga yung complete evolution. As in, di ba? Oh, kasi yung iba, pag hindi sila mag-evolve, hindi sila mag-adapt, sabi pa niya, sure, if you don't evolve, you dissolve. You evolve or you evaporate. So, time and time, no, it has been proven, yung mga hindi nakapag-adapt is hindi talaga naglalast, no? Look at Nokia, no? Oh. So, sobrang uso dati, di ba? Oh, hinahagis-hagis pa yung Nokian cellphone, pero dahil dumating si iPhone, Samsung, di nag-adapt yung Nokia. So, what happened? Di ba? Although andyan pa sila, pero hindi na sila masyadong kilala, 'di ba? Oh, yung, Blockbuster, 'di ba? Oh, na nagpaparenta sila ng VHS, ayan yung mga tape. Oh, dumating si Netflix, same din nagpaparenta din pero nag-evolve sila online. 'Di ba? Look at them right now, oh, 'di ba? And many other companies, and even nung pandemic, yung hindi nag-adapt sa online, what happened to them? Completely closed, 'di ba? Oh. So, gano'n talaga, that's life, okay? Change is the only constant thing in the world, 'di ba? But here's the good news kasi complete evolution, one of its talagang kakaiba po talaga yung meron dito sa company ito. Alright? And mas i-discuss natin further ang konsepto na meron tayo, which is itong subscription or club membership. Alright? So, ano ba yung subscription? And it is a model in which customer pay weekly, monthly, or yearly kapalit sa ano, products or services. Customers can renew their subscription after a certain period of time. Okay, in short, nagbabayad tayo sa mga company, a certain company, and pag nakabayad na tayo, na-enjoy natin yung benefits na ino-offer nila. Like for example, yung SIM natin, di ba, meron dyan number. Ibig sabihin ng SIM, subscribers identity module. Ang tawag sa atin subscriber, di ba? Kasi nagpapaload tayo, na-register natin sa combo, no? And pag na-expire, pa-load tayo ulit pag gusto natin, 'di ba? Even yung cable mo, 'yan kakanood mo ng mga yung Batang Quiapo, 'di ba? 'Yan sa may mga cable o sa may mga um, internet, no? Fiber, 'yan. Okay, sa PLDT Converge, 'yan or sa Globe, no? Oh, babayad ka monthly, na-enjoy mo yung internet, even kuryente, tubig. Yan, parang subscription na rin. Gano'n po 'yun. Okay? Ayan. So, bakit importante ito? Siyempre na-enjoy natin yung benefits, tama. And increase customer loyalty and strong customer base, 'di ba? Kasi sino ba dito yung gustong, mawala yung kuryente, yung tubig, internet, 'di ba? So, sa panahon natin ngayon naging necessity na siya, eh, 'di ba? So, anong advantage ito? It lower the barrier to entry for products and services and allow more potential customer to purchase your products kasi hindi na masyadong pinagkakitaan ng company yung products or services kaya maraming maraming nakaka-access, 'di ba, maraming nakaka-afford kasi affordable siya, 'di po ba? 'Yan. So right now, ito pa yung ibang sample pa po 'no, 'yan like Netflix, HBO Go, Amazon Prime, Viu, Viva Max, iFlix, and Discovery Plus. Alright, so marami pa po 'no, and ito naman gym. Right, 'di ba nagbabayad din yan monthly and para ma-enjoy mo yung, facility dun sa loob 'no, Gold Gym, Fitness Gym, Anytime Fitness, alright? And ito naman mga traditional na ayan life plans and, security plans and insurance 'no. Kumbaga nagbabayad ka din diyan para if may natsugi, ayan may nangyaring hindi maganda, so may benefits din nakukuha. So that's subscription din, alright? And to tell you, gaano kalaki yung subscription. Guys, to tell you, okay, ayan, sabi pa nga dito, the global subscription industry is expected to reach 2 trillion US dollar by 2025. Anong year na ngayon? 2024 na. Ganun kalaki. Iba ang tawag nga dito is the unheard, ayan, unheard or undisturbed na yan na industry. Ang laki pala. Grabe talaga, no? Grabe, no? Imagine mo, nakihati tayo sa ganyang kalaking industry, trillion. 'Di ba? Pag trinabaho mo din 'to, nako guys, grabe po talaga. Alright? And, yan, ano pa? Yan, no, yung idea, itong Netflix. 'Di ba, nung ending September 30 last year, ang kanilang revenue umabot ng 32.7. Grabe 'no? Itong Zoom naman, tingnan niyo naman 'no, palaki ng palaki. O last year lang 4.3 billion from 4.1. Laki talaga, 'di ba? Na-enjoy naman natin diyan yung itong Zoom, 'di ba? Ah, Siyempre matagal tayong nakapag-usap dito, alright? Amazon Prime with 35.22 billion subscription fees pa lang. Yung Costco para maka-save ka diyan, babayad ka monthly or yearly. O tingnan mo naman yung trend, palaki ng palaki ng palaki, and they all have hundreds of millions of members already, right? But marami nang nakapag-benefit niyan pero walang kitaan, right? Pero let me ask you, what if may company na same concept yung business, club membership or subscription, but this time around mai-enjoy mo naman ang kitaan or bibigyan ka ng share or dividend. Ayan, gusto mo bang tingnan ito? Ayan, alright. So ngayon, tatanungin ulit kita. Okay, kung ready ka na, ang tanong, no. Ayan, would you like to earn up to $2,000 or more per month? Ayan, sino ditong gustong kumita ng dollars? Ayan. Oh, right, type number 5. Ayan. Alright, type number 5 naman. Alright. So, of course, lahat naman tayo, no? So, kung interested ka, stay for the second part of the presentation. Okay, so ngayon, didiscuss na po natin, okay, ang ating kitaan. So, hopefully ready ka na. Alright? Ayan. So, ngayon, we also give you the opportunity to earn income with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. Alright? So, very exciting talaga 'to. Okay, kaya pakinggan nyo. Okay, so paano maging member? Register with your sponsors link. So, balikan mo yung sponsor mo and pay 9.95 per month. So, yan po yung monthly subscription natin or around 590 pesos. And aside from that, meron tayong tinatawag na affiliate fee. Right? Para maging affiliate tayo, pwede tayong mag-promote ng meron sa Live Good. Alright? So, magkano? Around sa first month natin, mga around lang, mga 2,950. Ayan, or depende sa palitan, it can be less than that. Okay? Ayan. So, kung mag-a-annual ka naman, mga around 8,290 pesos or lesser than that. Depende sa palitan din. Okay? So, the best part sa annual kasi instead na whole year mong babayaran, 10 months lang. Pero bayad ka na for the whole year. Kumbaga, discounted ka for 20% or 2 months. Yan. So, kung kaya mag 1 year, di much better. Alright? Ayan. So, ngayon, dito naman is makakabili ka na ng products natin at wholesale or almost a factory price. Yan. So, anong makukuha mo sa 49.95? Yan yung tanong. Yan. Or sa 2,950 mo, 2,950 pesos. Yan. Masabihin mo or tanong mo, Coach, may ano ba yan? Physical products ba agad? Okay? To give you an idea, hindi po yung traditional na direct selling company, right? Na binentahan ka. Dito hindi ka bebentahan. Yung products dito at membership, hiwalay po. Hiwalay po sila. Alright? So, anong ma-access nyo? Pag naging part ka nito, maging affiliate ka na, meron tayong tinatawag na access to membership club. So, lahat ng products natin and soon, mga services din is that ma-access nyo po online. So, we have this digital marketing product. So, of course, may mga websites tayo. And of course, participate in the compensation plan. And ang payout natin, pwede is direct deposit, ay payout, bit or BitPay. Okay, so ngayon, the best part ito, no, is that meron tayong website. Not just one, not just two, but 5. Yes, you heard it right, 5 websites. Okay? Or hindi rin basta-basta, hindi rin biro ang pagpagawa nito, no? Ayan, meron tayong retail site wherein, yan, parang ano yan, Shopee, Lazada, no? Isisend mo lang yung link Ayan, pagka nag-order yung customer mo, company na bahalang mag-ship, pag-pack, mangolekta ng bayad, and ikaw tagatanggap na lang ng komisyon. Yan. So, e-com ready po talaga. Dropshipping ready. Okay, so company na magsi-ship niyan. And Powerline landing page. Yan. Okay. So, this part naman is that dito tayo nagpapa-member. And meron po yung short video wherein yung shinare ko rin sa inyo. Okay? Na 5-minute video. Okay? So, kung sino pa member, ayan, mag-reserve position and lock-in position po tayo dyan. And corporate site, about naman sa company. And ito naman nating super greens and reds na landing page wherein nandyan po yung product explainer. And of course, pag mag-order yung mga customer natin, nandyan po dyan, no? Sa baba, order lang. Ayan, imagine mo, ang laki ng maintenance ito. Okay, yung papagawa ka, ang laki, 50 to 100,000 plus. Grabe 'no, pero kasama na siya sa monthly membership natin. Lupit, 'di ba? Oh, so ngayon, nandito na tayo sa exciting part. Yan, so ang kita naman natin dito is powered by Unilevel and Forced Matrix. So wala tayo ditong pairing. Okay? Unilevel and Forced Matrix na po. So we have 8 ways to earn pero magfo-focus po tayo dito sa ah 6. Okay, yung dalawa, bonus na lang po yan. Okay, so we have this weekly fast start, retail commissions, influencer bonuses, customer acquisition bonuses, diamond bonus pool, crown diamond bonus pool. So yan po yung unilevel. Sa kabila naman matrix, and yung matching, hybrid po siya kasi pinagsama po silang dalawa. Okay, so isa-isahin po natin para hindi ka malito. So we have this quick money. Yes, quick money po talaga, mabilis. Okay, so kailangan lang natin siyempre aralin at bigyan ng effort. Tawag nito is fast start bonus or in layman's term, direct referral. Yan, is a one-time $25 bonus from all new directs. One time lang po yan ha, basta nag-join sila, okay, nagbayad ng $49.95. So if ever, meron kang 4 na napa-join this week, may $100 ka. Oh, bukas na ba kaagad? Hindi, in the following week. Okay? So, ang cut-off natin every Friday, 3 PM Philippine time. Okay? So, kung sino na-count doon, ayan, in the following week, doon i-release yung commission. Ayan, di ba? Oh, di ba? So, imagine mo, 4 pa lang napa-join mo, may $100 ka na, mayroon ka ng pang 1 year. Upgrade for 1 year. Di ba? Ganun kabilis. Basta willing tayo gawin, maglagay ng effort dito. Okay? So, quick money, fast start bonuses. So, infinite wide po siya and 10 levels deep. So, pag nag-rank up ka, mas malalim po, mas malaki yung pwede mong kitain. Okay? Ayan. Tapos, unlimited yung pwede mong i-refer, i-direct. Alright? So, to give you an idea, ito po yung sample computation. Ayan. And, grabe po. This part alone can easily beat other comp plan design. Okay? So, magbibigay ako sa inyo ng example. So, kaya naman siguro no, power of 5. Okay? Power of 5. Tama po. Kaya. Of course, kaya naman. 'Di ba? So, yung power of 5, pag napa-join niyo po sila, okay, meron kang $125. So, tulungan din natin yung 5 natin. Level 2. Pag-refer silang tigli-5, okay? Meron ka ng, meron ka ng another 125 doon sa 25 na yun. Okay? So ngayon nag-refer ulit, 125 na, 312.5. So assuming no, up to 10th level yan, nag-diamond tayo, diamond ka. So all in all, 6.1 million US dollar ang kinita mo. Ganun kalaki. Okay? So walang time frame yan. It can be 2, 3, 4, even 5 or even 10 years. Ikaw, depende sa'yo. Okay? So, yan. Kinita mo is $6 million. Or, that's not 7, 8 figures ha. That is 9 figures. That is 349 million pesos. Ganun katindi. Ganun kalupit. Imagine mo, nagre-refer ka pa lang, tinutulungan mo pa lang yung team mo na kumita. Of course, kumita ka, kumikita din sila, tutulungan mo lang din. Kumikita ka ng ganun kalaki. Time will come, ganun kalaki. Grabe, no? Ganun katindi. O, meron sa atin mas masipag, kaya mag 30 directs, di ba? Tama. O, sa 30 directs, imagine mo, 4th level di ko na tinapos. 2M. 2M dollars. So, ngayon, total of $2 million yan. Lahat. Can be 3, 4, even 5 years. And not bad pa rin. 119 million pesos. Grabe, nagre-refer ka lang. Tulungan mo lang yung team mo mag-refer. Diba? Life-changing po talaga. Life-changing. Okay, so paano mag-rank up? Ang hirap, grabe. Paano? 'Pag mag-bronze, dalawa lang. Imagine mo gano'n kahirap 'no? Dalawa lang and up to second level na yung benefits mo, okey? Oh, kaya kung wala ka pa yung ibang kakilala, eh, di family mo muna, unahin, okey? 'Pag silver naman dito walang back to zero ha. So kanina may dalawa ka, so another 18 ka na naman para 20 lahat para mag-silver or di kaya 10 directs plus team of 20. Puwedeng yung 10 nag-refer tig-isa. So team of 20 lahat, so 'yan silver rank ka na up to 4th level benefits mo. Or di kaya 3 bronze na referral mo and team 20. Gold naman up to 6 level yung benefits. So at least 30 directs and team of 100 or di kaya 3 of your team na I mean yung directs nag-silver, team of 100 or 4 of your directs. May tigta 30 yung tatlo, isa 10, team of 100, gold rank ka na. Platinum naman up to 8 level, at least 100 directs plus team of 500 or di kaya 3 of your directs na nag-gold plus team of 500. Okay? Ayan. Or number 3 of your directs may tigwa 150, isa may 50, team of 500, ayan platinum rank ka na. Alright, ayan diamond naman is ayan up to 10th level, ito po yung elite rank natin. So yung diamond po is around yan 2.5, okay? 2.5 po yung total team. Ayan, tapos at least 3 directs na nag-platinum. Or di kaya option number 2 is that 5 of your directs may tig pa 500 na total team. Right? So yun, diamond rank ka na and crown diamond. Yan. So crown diamond naman at least ayan 50,000. Limang leg mo na may tigda 10,000. Yun, crown diamond rank ka na. And to tell you, as of now, millions of members na po pero dalawa pa lang po yung crown diamond. Okay? Oh. So ngayon ito naman retirement money. Yan. So ito yung matrix commissions, alright? So tayo may money matrix commission. So ito siya, matrix commissions are $0.25. So ngayon, ang system po kasi yung nag-a-assign or naglalagay ng tao under sa atin. Ang goal niya na lang po is malagyan tayo ng tigda dalawa. Alright? So ikaw, nasa taas, lagyan ka ng dalawa, yung dalawa mo, lagyan ng tigda dalawa. Okay? So dito, kikita ka ng 0.25 cents or 14 pesos each people or person na refer mo or refer ng sa taas mo na nalagay under you. Right? Oh, 0.25 cents po 'yan. Makikita mo na parang ang liit naman, pero wag ka. Bakit? O ganito muna 'yan mafi-fill yung matrix natin. For example, may refer sa taas. So unahin mo na yung left tapos right. Tapos na-refer ulit yung taas mo. Okay, left tapos 'yan, left din dito sa second leg mo. Okay? Tapos right. So left right po lang talaga para lahat malagyan. Okay, ganyan po yung pagpuno ng matrix po natin. Okay, so ito naman po siya, yung up to 12 level 'pag unrank ka. Okay, 'pag unrank ka up to 12 level siya, that means na meron diyang 8,190 katao. So 8,190 people times times 25 cents, that is 2,047.50. So yan po yung maximum na pwede mong kitain 'pag isa or wala ka pang ni-refer na na napuno matrix mo ha. Take note, full matrix, hindi next month, next month, hindi po 'pag mapuno yung matrix. Eh, pero don't worry kahit may isa ka na diyan, 2, 10, 50, basta may tao ka na under you nagsu-subscribe, bibigyan ka na po ng komisyon. Ayan, so hindi na po kailangan punuin 'yan. Kasi darating tayo din diyan, eh, lahat, eh. Mapupuno din yung matrix natin. Alright? Ayan. So ngayon, 'pag ano ka, pagka nag-ano ka, bronze and silver, dumo-double po siya, right? Ayan. So gold, platinum, dumouble din from 4,000 nag 8,000 naging 16,000 is dollar yung commission mo sa matrix. Alright? So ganun po. So, worth it ba siya? Kasi may iba nagtatanong na merong, mga busy, 'yan, maraming ginagawa sa buhay, alright? So, ngayon, worth it ba siya? So, pagka wala kang na-refer or isa lang, up to 12 level yung maximum, okay? 8,190 people 'yan. So, from first to fourth level, ang kikitain mo is $0.50 to $8 per month. So, hindi pa siya enough, hindi pa siya enough, pero wag kang mainip. Ang negosyong 'to ay bawal sa mainipin, alright? So, huwag kang mainip. Ngayon, 'pag, umapaw 'yan, 5th to 12 level, ang minimum kikitain mo is 16 and max is 2,047.50 per month. To tell you, this is enough already to pay your 9.95. subscription monthly. And the best part, you're now in profits levels. Yes. Okay? Pero bigyan kita scenario, no? What if 1 year? So, ito yung 1 year na po na yung matrix mo. That is 6,000 plus pesos na gastos mo. Tama. And after 1 year, nag-113,000 ka na per month. Yes, per month po. Kasi mayroon kang subscriber under you eh. Oh. Okay, sulit ba or sobrang sulit? Of course. Sabihin natin 3 years. Sa 3 years na yan, ginastos mo is 20,000. And after 3 years, nag-113,000 ka na. Ang tanong, sulit o sulit? Sobrang sulit. Even 5 years, guys. Sa 5 years, 33,000 plus yung gigastusin mo lang. Pero right after 5 years, nag-113 ka na. Ayan, so, hindi ka pa rin lugi. Alright? Sobrang sulit pa rin. And even 10 to 12 years, guys, 60 to 70 plus thousand yung ginastos mo. Pero nag-113,000 ka naman. Sobrang sulit pa rin. And to give idea, yung 6,020 and 33,000, hindi na po ikaw ang nagpapalabas dyan. Saan yan kinukuha? Dyan. Huwag ka lang mainip. Papawin mo lang ng 5th to 12 level. Okay? So, parang nababayad na siya ng sarili niya. Okay? And, the best part ito kasi pensionado ka na. Kumikita ka na every single month. O, lupit, no? Ganun katindi. Pero ito pa, no? Bakit namin encourage na mag-refer ka kaysa maghintay sa spillover? Okay? O, pag nag-refer ka, may napa-join ka, isang referral, weekly siya binibigay. The following week, $25. Whereas, para kumita ka sa spillover or sa matrix ng $25, 100 muna ka tao. Malalagay under you. Ibuti kung ikaw lang yung tao. Marami din kailangang paglagyan, di ba? O, sa kabilang side, di ba, apply mo. So, medyo mabagal talaga siya. Alright? So, ngayon, pag nakapag-refer ka ng dalawa, $50. And, sa matrix naman, 200 muna ka tao yung kailangan mo para kumita $50. Oh, 'di ba? So anong gusto mo? Weekly, monthly, 'di ba? Yung immediate, yung maghihintay ka talaga. 'Di ba? So mas maganda na kung kaya mo naman bilisan, edi why not, 'di ba? Refer ka na lang. Kaysa maghintay, maiinip ka lang. Sa totoo lang, maiinip ka. Okay? So ito naman is wealthy money na matching bonus. Ayan. Ito naman is dito yung pairing na one left, one right. Hindi po. Monthly bonus of 50% from what your directs earn every month from their matrix. Yan. O, ito yung sample, no? For example, si Juan, kumita ng $1,000. So, yung matching, ima-match yan sa'yo. Yan. Okay, 50%. So, meron kang $500. Okay? Yan. Si Pedro, kumita $500, may $250 ka. Si Maria, $100, may 50 ka. Si Marites, instead ng kapitbahay, ito na ni Chismis, kumikita pa. O, $200 kinita niya, ikaw, may 50%, $100. Ito matindi, infinite wide. Unlimited yung pwede mong sponsor. Oh, grabe, no? Matindi. Malupit talaga. Okay po. Ayan. So, yan po yung ating matching bonus. So, ito naman po ay yung generational. So, that means na, para may idea kayo, hindi ka lang kikita sa directs niya, kundi sa entire team niya. Sa buong grupo po niya. Grabe. For example, Diamond, hindi ka lang pang, pang 50%. Meron ka pang 10, may mga 5, 5, and 3. Malupit talaga. 'Di ba? Oh. Gano'n po. Eh, ito naman po yung matching bonus sample. So, power of 10. Yan yung 10, nag-refer ng 10. Yan. Okay, so, yan po yung sample, $39. Okay, pag at least nag-diamond ka. Okay? So, ngayon, bakit namin encourage na, pa-join nyo yung family nyo? Okay? Ito po kasi yan. Pag napuno kasi yung matrix mo as a bronze, 4,095.50 pwede yung kitain. Dahil na-refer mo yung dalawang family member mo, kahit dalawa muna, kung di mo kaya lahat. Eh, dalawa lang. Kikitain nila is 2,047.50. Full matrix. Full yung matrix nila. So, kaya 4,085. So, may 50% ka. Doon is 2,047.50. So, kayong lahat, kayong tatlo, kikitain nyo as bronze. Is that? Darating yung time, no? It can be 2, 3, or even 5, 10 years. Depende is 500,000 monthly income. Guys, that is month after month after month after month after month. Grabe talaga, no? O, sabihin natin, syempre, masinipagan mo. Di ba? Ito, kaya nga ng nanay yan eh. Di ba? Kasi may kakilala, kamag-anak, katropa. Di ba? Mga ka-Facebook, ka-TikTok, kamarites. So, let's say na yung, mo, na matrix, kumita sila ng 2,047.50. Okay? Yan, yung 20 mo. So, may matching ka, 1,023.75, 50%. Alright? So, $20,475 or that is 1.1 million pesos month after month after month after month after month. Grabe talaga. Imagine mo, anong buhay naghihintay sa'yo pag ganyan kinikita mo? Grabe, no? Alright, so let's proceed. So, 30 direct, sabihin nating bronze sila, kumita sila ng $6,000 sa matrix. May kalahati ka, 3,000. Yan, so 90,000 lahat and dollars and that is 5 million pesos month after month after month after month. Grabe. Pero guys, here's the vision. 100 solid direct referral. That means diamond sila. Kitain nila is 16,000 plus dollars. Right? Oh. Lahat sila maximum. And meron ka namang 8,191.75. Okay? So all in all, kikitain mo sa 100 na yan is 119,175. That is 45 million pesos month after month after month after month. Grabe, no? Imagine mo kung ganyan kinikita mo. Yun yung mga matutulungan mo. Anong mga foundation mabibuild mo? Mga home for the age. Diba? Grabe, kahit pa sabihin natin 20 million nagagastos or 5 million yan per month. Yung mga 40 ka pa. So, grabe, sobrang dami kang matutulungan. No? So, kailangan ngayon pa lang na-vision mo na. Nakikita mo ang sarili mo. Alright? So, possible ba makapag-refer ng marami? Yan, tingnan nyo po. Yan, top 10 natin, 293. Yung top 1, 1,130. Grabe. Okay, grabe po talaga. No? Oh, so, kaya naman eh. Kasi sila tao din. Inaral lang din nila. Ikaw, aralin mo din. Alright? Para mas maraming directs. Right? So, yan. Ito naman, retail commissions is a 50% bonus price difference between member price and retail price. So, pag nagbebenta ka sa retail shop mo, so, meron kang 50%. For example, may tubo to na, yan, like itong factor 4. Meron tong tubo na, let's say this is not exact amount, let's say mga $6. Right? So, mangyayari, $3 sa'yo, $3 sa company once nakabenta ka. And, yan po, 10 levels deep din, parang, they call this one, weekly fast start. Yan. Infinite wide 10 levels deep. Influencer bonuses. Yan, you can earn up to 100%. So, di ba kanina, yung patong, di ba, 6, 3 sa'yo, 3 sa company. So, pag na-hit mo itong quota, kahit hindi ka literally influencer, hindi ka influencer, alright? So, pag ma-hit mo yan, is that, meron kang 50%. So, lahat yun na $6, ibibigay sa'yo. Ganun kalupit, di ba? O, customer acquisition. Ayan, when direct members place their first product order, 10% of that product is paid out as customer acquisition bonus. Same structure as fast start commissions and retail commissions. Okay? So, yan, infinite wide din and 10 levels deep. And ito naman, piece of the pie money. Yan. So, diamond bonus pool, 2% of total sales from all membership and products. So, buong mundo yan. Yan, sales ng US, ng Europe, ng Asia, ng Africa. So, lahat yan. Okay? So, total monthly sales is 15,000, let's say. So, 15 million, I mean. 15 million. 15 million times 2% is 300,000. That is 60 diamonds, let's say. Mayroon silang tigpa 5,000. Lupit, no? And ito naman, rich and famous money, crown diamond bonus pool. Ayan. So, ito 0.5% naman. So, right now, is that, meron tayong dalawa pa lang sa buong mundo, crown diamond. Okay, so 15,000, 15 million. Ayan, yung price niya, 0.5%. 75,000, that is, to crown diamond is 37.5 US dollar. That is millions pa rin. Okay? Millions pa rin. Grabe talaga. Okay? Yan, dyan po tayo papunta. Alright? So, yan po. Okay? So, ito pa yung mga sample, no, ng mga kumikita na. So, dito updated. And sa akin, di rin updated yan. Okay? So, it's only living proof, no, that your dreams can be possible can live good. Alright? So, grabe po talaga nangyayari. So, right now, we have 1 million plus members in just 13 months. Eh, tingnan mo naman ito isang company. 260,000 members. And 30 years. Grabe, no? Okay, pero guys, nasa tip of the iceberg pa lang po tayo. Okay? 1 million subscribers kasi ano yan eh, first 10 million subscribers talaga. Alright? Yan. So, projection natin 3 to 5 million subscribers will be joining in December 2024. Right? And 20 to 200 million subscribers joining in the years to come. So guys, dalawang choice mo, manood ka, sumabay ka. Manood ka and sabihin mo sayang. Kinikita niya, sana kinikita ko rin. Or buti na lang. Yan, buti na lang. Ayan. Buti na lang sumabay ako. Right now, maganda yung naging nakuha mo resulta dahil sa effort mo rin. 'Di ba? So, the choice is yours, 'di ba? Lahat tayo may kanya-kanyang decisions na kailangang gawin sa buhay everyday. Pero baka itong isang decision mo na gagawin dito, na gawin 'to, that ito yung isa sa mga makakatulong na mangat ka, magbago yung sitwasyon mo ngayon. Alright? So, grabe guys 'no, yun, to tell you this is just a beginning. And ang pag-ano nito, paglipad nito, ano, talagang hindi mo mapipigilan, This plane of opportunity will surely fly. Alright? Kaya, ayan guys, decide habang maaga pa. Okay? And remove your doubt and fear. Okay? Ano bang mawawala sa'yo kung dati ka nang wala, di ba? Kaya subok lang. Subok lang kasi di mo alam. Di ba? Para sa'yo to. Di ba? So, if you join, we welcome you. But if you don't, we're still friends. Okay? Oh, yan po, no? So, yan guys. Here's the top 5 reasons why you should join. Number 1, which is officially launched globally. Again, nasa pillar stage pa lang po tayo. Okay? Yan. And high quality and of course, very affordable health products. And marketing system, tools, and trainings. So, lahat provided na even this presentation, no? Kami nagpapakapagod, magpaliwanag. Ikaw, tanggap na lang ng mga sasali. 'Di ba? So, ano nyo yan? Take advantage. Yung websites natin, of course, our trainings. And simple, powerful, and yet lucrative pay plan. So, very generous din. Grabe, no? Imagine mo, 9.25 pero grabe yung pwede mong kitain. Grabe talaga, as in, nakakabaliw po. Alright? Simple lang. Kahit, kahit high school, kaya intindihin yung konsepto ng business. Okay? Oh, and napaka-generous pa, matindi talaga, lahat andito na. And of course, number 5, we have successful, fun, and winning team. Alright, di ba? Okay, so ang tanong, are you A, B, or C? So if I were you, A ka na. Di ba? Para hindi ka na magsayang ng oras, B and C. B and A. So get back with the person that invited you and let them know if you're an A, B, or C. Alright, so I'll leave you with this one verse, no? Yan sa Jeremiah 29:11. Sabi doon na, for I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper, not to harm you. Plans to give you hope in a future. Alright? So if you really believe, di ba, sa divine, kay God, kay Lord, Allah, di ba? So dapat, paniwalaan mo din na may magandang plano sa buhay mo. Di ba? And ang kailangan mo lang is take action. Ito pinakita opportunity, hindi naman aksidente to I believe ito aksidente. Di ba? May reason to kung bakit yung nag-invite sa'yo is that kinulit ka, pinapunta ka talaga dito. Okay? Tandaan natin, faith without work is dead. If you have faith naman, kung yan, kulang sa trabaho din, kulang sa pag-grab ng opportunity, tamang opportunity. Alright? So with that, thank you so much. Ayan guys, hopefully is that um, nabigyan ko kayo ng value sa ating presentation and looking forward na syempre lahat tayo, kayo, lahat ng mga magiging part dito is that mag-succeed, makuha yung ating pangarap, maraming mag-for good, yan, marami yung magkaroon ng breakthrough sa life. Right? So ito na po si Live Good. So with that, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. And ayan, thank you so much for tuning in and more power. God bless and see you all at the